Hi Mario, so today we're going to do goal number 3, which is math, and we're doing objective 2. So by the end of 18 instructional weeks, when given verbal, visual, model, gestures, prompts, objects, visuals, to measures, and blocks, paper clips, counters, Jonathan will correctly measure the length of the objects with 70% accuracy. So let's begin. Here are some examples, Mario, of what we're going to be doing. Short, long, which is shorter and which is longer. So like right here, you can see that the silver part is shorter than this one. So you put shorter, longer. Okay, so now let's begin your assignment. This is a little bit different of what I was showing you. Right now, you're going to tell me how long this is. So here's a Q-tip. And what you're going to measure is the Q-tip is right here. So where does it end? On the 3. So it's 3 inches long. So we're going to do the same thing with the straw, with the screwdriver, with the match, the pencil, and the paintbrush. So go ahead and work on these by yourself. And once you're done, you can send them to me. Now, objective number 4, goal 4, objective number 2. By the end of 18 instructional weeks, when given verbal, visual, or model prompts, Jonathan will solve simple addition problems by adding within 5 to 8 with 70% accuracy of the time. So what we're going to do next is addition, the same thing. So count, add the pictures, and write your answer in the placeholder right here. So always make sure to write your name on the papers. So you're going to count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you put the 6 here plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a 5 right here. So you're going to put 6 plus 5, count them all together, and you write your answer. So once you're finished, go ahead and, if you can't submit them into Teams, go ahead and send them to me, and I'll submit them for you. So let's get started, Jonathan.